Here is a Matchbox Super Kings K-62 Citroen emergency doctor's car from 1976. And this is pretty much what it would have looked like when it was new. And this is what I have. The stickers from the sides have been removed. The chrome on the front and rear bumpers has mostly been worn away. There are many chips and nicks to the white paint, but still, it's complete, which makes it a prime candidate for a makeover. A little drilling will allow me to take this apart so that I can strip the old paint and clean and refurbish everything else. I'll drill and thread the mounting posts so that I can use tiny little button screws later on during reassembly. I ran out of paint stripper, but found out from someone a long time ago that brake fluid is also good at removing paint, especially white paint from Matchbox cars made of metal. It sat in the brake fluid for several days, and most of the paint came off pretty easily. I'll remove whatever's left with a wire brush in my rotary tool. I don't know why this little car ever had a red bottom plate. I guess it went well with the Red Cross Doctors theme, but I think a coat of satin canyon black will make it look a little more realistic. At the original price point for this toy, it would make no sense to use these little screws for assembly. But I like the way they look, and if I ever want to strip this car and repaint it in the future, the threaded posts and screws will make the job very, very easy. The decals were printed from my computer to inkjet decal paper with a white background. That's another reason why the doors and the hood were painted white. In hindsight though, I wish that I had made the lettering bigger, but this will do for now. Oh, and before I forget, the decals were given a glossy coat of clear before I cut them apart. So why would an automobile that's so very French be dressed up like a German police car? I don't know. Maybe it's from Switzerland, where those two cultures get mixed together. Or possibly it's something from the Man in the High Castle universe, where Germany won the Second World War. But I think the most likely reason is that I missed working on these little Matchbox cars, and I just wanted to crank out a fun and quick project that's at least somewhat compatible with O-scale trains. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.